Hey friends and family, this is Wendy and I'm with the Wendy Moore, and today I am bringing you my unboxing for October. I know it's really late, but we were on vacation and then there were some shipping delays because of back ordering, because we had a fantastic sale during my vacation and I stocked up. So I'm so excited to start sharing this with you. I've got a lot to share, so we're going to get right to it. This is our Desert Mist Diffuser. It's got a beautiful trellis design on the front. It'll go with any decor. It's got a nice large receptacle for the water, and it's got 10 light settings, including a candle flicker. So if you're addicted to candles and don't think you can give them up, I'm telling you, you can. So this diffuser, I got two of them, 2 boxes here, because during the sale, if you bought 2, it was $20. 2 of these diffusers for $20. Crazy, I know, but love them and can't wait. These are not actually for me, they are for gifts. And then I also got the Ember diffuser. Again, same deal. I got 2. I love the box that it comes in, just very organic. Love the clay diffuser cover, just a hollow clay, but it's definitely breakable. And then this one has a little bit smaller receptacle for the water, but not a lot. I like the compact size of this one because it's great for the bathroom or in my kitchen. I've got a couple of diffusers, but I like that I can tuck this in a corner somewhere and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So again, 2 Ember diffusers, $20 for both of them. Just still can't believe that deal. And if you're not aware, Young Living's got a sale going on right now with some of the same deals. So hop to it. It may not be the same diffusers, but there's some great deals out there. During that sale, I also picked up another CBD Beauty Boost. And this is, I use this one every single night before bed. After I've cleansed my face, I combine the CBD with a few drops of our frankincense essential oil and my favorite moisturizer and apply it. I absolutely love this product. And you can actually take this and dilute it and make your own bohemian Botox. And if you'd like that recipe, just say something in the comments and I'll be sure and get that to you. Moving right along, the next thing I ordered was our Thieves Household Cleaner Holiday Bundle, and that was the bottle of 14.4 ounce Thieves Concentrated Household Cleaner. This one bottle will make up to 30 bottles of all-purpose cleaner, and even not on sale, it's $25.50 for that. And when you can get 30 bottles of cleaner for just over $1 each, yeah, try finding any store where you can get something that's plant-based, mineral-based, all-natural, essential oil infused that works the way this stuff does. That came as the bundle with a 15 milliliter bottle of Christmas Spirit. Can't wait to get in the mood with this one for the holidays. The Christmas Spirit is a beautiful scent using orange and cinnamon and some of the great smells that we associate with the holidays. So that came with it. You can add a little bit of that into your all-purpose cleaner to give it the scent that you want for the holidays, or you can put that into your diffuser and create a warm and inviting space in your home. Because I love it so much, I got a second bottle because I know I'll go through it during the holidays. And but also in that kit was our Young Living branded, it's a reusable dishcloth. This is 70% wood pulp and 30% cotton. So it's keeping a clean and green kitchen at the same time. So this is part of the gift set, and it was actually less expensive for me to order the little bundle than it was to order each of those individually. So I got more savings on that. We'll get that back in the bag later. And then to round out my order, I also ordered a bottle of Idaho Blue Spruce. Again, I'm just in love with all of the conifer oils that we find this time of year and the smell that they give us in our home. Just, it's always, I keep saying warm and inviting, but that's exactly what it is. And then, let's see, I also got a gift set of 3 bottles. These are empty roller bottles. They have a wood top, and they are focus, inspire, and motivation. So each one of them is pre-labeled. Can you see it? Yes, you can. So that's inspire. So each one of those, and I will be making some special blends for some special friends. So those are the items I purchased during that holiday sale, or I guess it was an October sale. I don't even remember what it was called, but it was a sale. And I love taking advantage of sales. And then this is a freebie that any order you received, the aroma rings. And I've shared these before in the lavender scent. This one is, which one is it? It's the, can't see the name of which one this one is. Anyway, these are pre-scented. They are a silicone little ring, just like a nose ring or a nose piercing. And you wear it here, you wear it on your ear, or you can wear it on your collar. And it helps to keep you calm, focused. There's, again, 2, so the lavender is going to be very calming for people. A lot of people are using these when they're traveling by commercial airline, and I know I did, and it really helped me to relax and to sleep on that overnight flight. So if you haven't checked out the aroma rings, they are a great tool just to have for those times you have anxiety, and people tell me they can't even see it when I'm wearing it. So that is my holiday order for October. This is my monthly order, and I needed to stock up quite a bit because I took a lot of product with me when we traveled and I ran out of things. So restocking with my favorite protein shake, Balance Complete. And I say it's my favorite, and that's the du jour because it depends on the day and what I feel like. But right now, this one happens to be my favorite. And the Balance Complete is a balance of carbs and proteins, and it's got a delicious flavor. A lot of people compare it to, because it's vanilla, to a birthday cake. You can mix this with anything, and that's what I really like about it, the versatility. So this is going to be a pumpkin shake tomorrow morning, and then it'll be down the road, it'll be chocolate mint, because I'm going to add some cocoa powder and then some peppermint essential oils to make it a chocolate mint for the holidays. So this is my protein powder. I ordered 2 of the Inner Beauty Collagen because I don't dare want it to go out of stock. I don't ever want to stop taking this product. After the 21-day challenge, I am continuing to see results and making a difference in my face. I also feel that the elasticity is so much better in my skin. So don't want to go without that one. If you haven't tried it, you want to. It's unflavored. The source is marine collagen, sustainably sourced, and it is flavorless, as I said. So that's the good news about that one. When you use, I just had a cat jump right in front of the table. He's just under there. He might jump up to see you. And when you use the marine, it's specifically targeted for the skin. So I'm even noticing a different, see, I'm having a hard time grasping this skin where before, it was pretty loose. I needed more Thieves. So I got 2 more bottles of Thieves household cleaner. We had hurricane damage and we've been cleaning up down in Fort Myers, and so I've been using a lot of Thieves. I also got the Ningxia greens. While we traveled, I mentioned last month I was taking the Ningxia greens with me. That worked out perfect because we were in a small town that didn't have a full grocery store. They had a convenience store, and they didn't carry like fresh spinach and fresh vegetables. So for the week I was there, I would have been really upset. So instead, I got all my veggies every morning in my shake with my Ningxia greens. Let's see. You've heard before, if you've watched any of my videos, my husband loves the charcoal bar soap. So he was out. We've stocked up on that again. And let's see, that's a freebie. Aluminized. I got 2 bottles of the Aluminized. This is our supplement to support our eye health from the blue rays that we get from our screens and all of our devices. And we both take it every single day, so I needed 2 bottles. And then the rest, let's see, longevity. I bought a bottle of our longevity. I use this as part of my Bohemian Botox. I take a capsule with a few drops of longevity plus olive oil as a carrier, because this is a very strong oil, and I take that internally every time I use my Bohemian Botox with my base of the CBD. So that's my longevity. And then the rest, I believe, are, oh, nope, here's 2 more I bought. Evergreen Essence. And the Evergreen Essence, these are for gifts, so I don't want to open them. Besides that, you're not going to be able to smell it anyway. But the Evergreen Essence is, again, those warm and inviting scents of the season. And they're beautiful combined or just individually. So got 2 bottles of that. Those will be gifts with the diffuser. And then these are all my freebies for the month. I feel like I'm missing something, but I don't know where it would be. So, Copaiba essential oil. Copaiba is one that my granddaughter is currently using. We're putting it on her gums as she's teething, and it's helping her to not be quite as cranky and not to have as much discomfort from that. And then nutmeg. I can never have enough nutmeg. I've got a little spot on my arm, and I've been putting nutmeg on it, and it seems to be helping. I think I got a sticker from working in the yard, and it just started to get ugly looking. So I've been using the nutmeg. Cinnamon bark. Love, love, love cinnamon bark in the diffuser, along with oranges or lemon. It's just such a great companion product, even to the nutmeg, to clove, ginger. Make a lot of great fall scents with that. And then pine, another one. These are all, remember, these are all free. I didn't select these, but they're all ones I use on the daily. Clove, we got the 15 milliliter bottle, and I absolutely love the clove. Clove is in the diffuser. You just get that distinct earthy spice scent. And when people come in my home and I've got some clove going in the diffuser, along with a couple others that I enjoy putting it with, everybody thinks I'm baking. So love that, because I haven't had time for baking lately. And then the last freebie is our MultiGreens, which are capsules, and they are going to give us a complement of fruits and or of vegetables. They pair beautifully with the Ningxia greens. Each one of them does a little something different. If you go to my website, you'll find some information on both of them and the differences there. So that is what I've got for you. Sounds like it's just in time because I'm starting to get a dry throat. If I can find my clicker, I'll tell you goodbye. Thanks for joining me for this October unboxing, and I will be back with my November unboxing, hopefully sooner rather than later. I'll talk to you soon.